What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to download a YouTube video without having to have YouTube Premium or whatever they're trying to sell you. The first thing you're going to do is find your YouTube video you want to download. You're going to go up top, copy this link, and then you're going to go to this website. I will have it linked in the description of this video, but if for whatever reason YouTube takes that off, it's called ytmp3.cc. Hopefully you can see that well. And what you're going to do is either select MP4 or MP3. MP3 is just audio, and MP4 would be audio and video. So I'm going to do MP4. I'm going to paste it in and click convert. It'll take a couple seconds if it's a short video, and I've never seen it take more than like 30 seconds. But right, I can either Dropbox it or download it. So I'm going to hit download. Boom, I have it. I can watch it. Beautiful. Now, if I want to convert another one, I'd hit convert next, and it takes me back here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.